Okay po, magbibilang po tayo sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3.
Sa Psalms 139, O Lord, you have searched me and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and my lying down. You are familiar with all my ways. Before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely, O Lord. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. I appointed you as prophet to the nations. God is all-knowing. God is present in everywhere. We cannot hide from God. So kung kahit saan tayo, alam niya, andoon siya. So for you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that well.
Okay po, magbibilang po tayo sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3.